Hi guys, so there are 10 changes which are there in the NMAT exam. So we'll go through these 10 changes one by one. So number one change is the dates of the NMAT exam. So this is the calendar of NMAT exam for this year. So you can pause the video and check out the detail. The main thing which I want to talk about here is the registration window. Last year was 90 days. Yeah, this time window is only for 60 days. So timing have changed. And the testing window was 75 days, have become now 88 days. Yeah, so they have removed the first major change. One of the major change is they have removed the window system. This year there is no window system. The exam is going to be an adaptive exam. Yeah, so there is no window system required. This is the two major changes which are there. So dates, number one change. Number two change is adaptive. I'll talk about that in a separate video. So in case you want to join our workshop, all these things I've covered in this workshop on cetkicking.com/nmat. Yeah, please go to that and check out the complete half an hour video. For example, a lot of people don't know that SP Jain is also accepting NMAT score. Yeah, IBS Hyderabad main college, not ISB. ISB Hyderabad, sorry, not IBS. IBS bhi hai. ISB Hyderabad also accept NMAT score. Yeah, Xavier's College, XIMB Bhubaneswar also accept the NMAT exam. So all these things are covered in this 30 minutes ka video. So I want you to complete that video. So complete strategy video is going to be there. So please check out that video ek bar. Okay, on cetkicking.com/nmat. Okay, so exam is going to be adaptive exam. So we'll talk about as we go along. So next major change is going to be that number of question per section of change. Total number of question 120 have gone down to 108. Yeah, 36 question in verbal instead of 32, 36 instead of 40 and 48 question. So major change is quant ka number of question have reduced drastically. So this is going to be one main advantage of NMAT. And within 36 question, half is quant. So only 18 quant question. Yeah, again in that workshop I've given the complete detail about what is there, what is not there. Timing is same. Sectional timing have reduced, 120 questions. Now come the main question with 120 minutes and 108 question instead of 120 questions. If the number of questions are going down, will the cutoff go down? Answer is no. Cutoff is not going to go down because they're going to scale it up to everything. Yeah, scale it up to again 360 ka score. So cutoff will remain same, I think 210 only. Cutoff is not going to change for the NMAT exam. Okay, because scaling is total 360 only. Alright. Alright, next major change is that a lot of international colleges as well are accepting NMAT ka score in South Africa, Philippines and Nigeria. So that is the welcome change that NMAT is now being accepted internationally. Basically NMAT is conducted by GMAT. So they are kind of telling the GMAT based colleges to accept NMAT score as well, because this is at par with the GMAT exam. So from years to come we will see more colleges accepting NMAT scores. Next major change which have come is a take in or take away. You can give the exam at the center or you can take the exam from home. This is a major change which have come in the exam this year. This is the only exam in fact which you can take from home. So if you ask me, I'll make a dedicated video for that. I need to do some research which is better. I think take home exam is a better option. You will save your time in traveling, especially those who are based in smaller towns where the center is not there. That will be the main advantage. Yeah, for example, in Mumbai the center is there, in Pune center is there, but somebody coming from Amravati या Aurangabad, you can save 1 day ka time, aane jane ka time in giving the exam from home. That's a major advantage you are going to have. Adaptive test. The exam is going to be adaptive, which means questions are going to change. I'll make a dedicated video for the what do you mean by adaptive. The moment you have adaptive test, so there is no need for the negative marking. Yeah, so there is no negative marking. Scaling will be done automatically. So NMAT, one of the major changes is that it is adaptive test. Last but not the least is that quick service. The moment you submit the test, you will see the score instantly. Yeah, instant score preview. Just like GMAT, you will get your results immediately. Official scorecard will come in 48 hours for candidates and for schools. Yeah, what do you mean by that? I'll again create a dedicated video for each of them. I'm just giving the overview. And these are the 12 sections of the NMAT exam which I want to focus on. Yeah. So and how the pattern will change, everything is covered up in this workshop. So I want you to just go to the link cetkeen.com/nmet and check out this half an hour ka video, complete workshop, attend the complete workshop. Okay, now the NMAT changes, these are the 10 changes. In case you want to join our program for the books, mocks, shortcuts, we are updating all our mocks. Within next 1 week we will update all the mocks. Snap mocks are all updated. We already have uploaded 12 snap mocks. Yes, snap ka new notification have come last week and we are already updating all our mocks. ठीक है, so these mocks are also we going to change as we go along. So by next week all the changes will be done. ठीक है, snap का first mock we are doing on September 20th. Okay, so these are the 10 changes of the NMAT exam. If you have any question you can ask in the comment box. I'll be making a dedicated video for each of them. So dates we talked about, reduced number of questions, scaling, sectional timings, adaptiveness for the paper, take in or take away, take home, scaling, cutoffs, results, window system, and college accepting. Cutoff is not going to change. Why cutoff will not change? Because of the fact that it's a adaptive paper and total score is out of 360 only. They're going to scale the score. Scaling and cutoff go hand in hand, so cutoff will remain 210 only. I was only predicting earlier cutoff to go down but around 200, but that was in case there is no adaptiveness or no scaling done. Now because of scaling, total score cutoff remains same, 210 only. Alright, all the best.